Welcome to Sunhub tutorial on how to send a sales quote. In this tutorial, you will learn how to send a sales quote using Sunhub's Sales Portal. Log into the portal using your credentials. On the left panel under Manage Sales Quote, click on Send Sales Quote. Select a deal that you want to use under this view and click the Next button from the top right corner. Select a salesperson client from the drop-down menu. Fill in the quotation details, such as subject, quantity, and expiry. Type a message to send with the quotation. This may include any additional details, instructions, or updates regarding the quotation. Click the Preview button once you are done filling all the details. Once you have reviewed everything, click Send. You will see a notification at the top of your screen once the quotation is successfully sent. After sending the quotation, you can view all the sales quotes. In this view, you can see the email preview to go through all the details of those quotations, or update the expiry of a quotation. Please ensure you click the Update button once you change the expiry of a quotation. Now you're geared up to start sending quotes. Happy dealing!